Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique, your trusted source for all things tech. Today, we're diving into the world of PC memory with a focus on the Corsair Vengeance RGB PRO 64GB kit. Not only does this memory module offer incredible performance, but it also adds a touch of RGB magic to your PC build. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our latest tech reviews. Let's jump right in. The Corsair Vengeance RGB PRO 64GB kit is designed to take your PC's performance to the next level. It combines cutting-edge DDR4 technology with stunning RGB lighting, making it a must-have for gamers, content creators, and PC enthusiasts. Let's explore the key features that make the Corsair Vengeance RGB PRO stand out. The Corsair iCUE software allows you to unleash dynamic RGB lighting control, synchronized across all your iCUE-compatible products. Customize preset lighting profiles, experiment with a wide range of colors, and adjust LED brightness to match your system perfectly. This memory kit boasts a custom performance PCB, ensuring the highest signal quality for optimal stability and performance. Corsair has carefully screened the integrated circuits to provide extended overclocking potential. If you're into pushing your system's limits, this memory is up to the task. Optimized for peak performance on the latest Intel and AMD DDR4 motherboards, this memory delivers the speed and responsiveness you need for demanding tasks. The aluminum heat spreader not only adds to the aesthetics but also enhances thermal conductivity, keeping your memory cool even during overclocking. Achieving ideal performance settings is a breeze with XMP 2.0 support. A single BIOS setting is all it takes to maximize your memory's potential. Corsair stands behind its product with a limited lifetime warranty, providing peace of mind for your investment. Now, let's discuss the advantages of incorporating the Corsair Vengeance RGB PRO 64GB into your PC build. Elevate your PC's aesthetics with mesmerizing RGB lighting, synchronized with other Corsair RGB products. The custom performance PCB and tightly screened memory ensure top-tier performance and stability, whether you're gaming or working on intensive tasks. The Corsair iCUE software makes customization a breeze, allowing you to personalize your lighting profiles and settings with ease. This memory kit is designed for compatibility with the latest Intel and AMD DDR4 motherboards, providing maximum bandwidth and responsiveness. The aluminum heat spreader not only looks great but also keeps your memory cool, even under heavy loads. Setting up your memory for peak performance is simplified with XMP 2.0 support, perfect for both beginners and enthusiasts. To wrap it up, the Corsair Vengeance RGB PRO 64GB is the perfect combination of style and substance. Its breathtaking RGB lighting, outstanding performance, and ease of customization make it a top choice for those looking to enhance both their PC's aesthetics and capabilities. That's all for our review of the Corsair Vengeance RGB PRO 64GB. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with fellow PC enthusiasts. Remember to subscribe to Product Critique for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for tuning in today, and we'll catch you in the next video.